Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be reviewing and swatching the Makeupshack Rainforest eyeshadow palette. This palette was released back in late February and sold out pretty quick since this palette is only $12.99. Plus you're able to use affiliate codes to save 20% off, which brings down the price to $10.39. The packaging of this palette is a cardboard with a magnetic closure and it does not include a mirror. This is a 35 eyeshadow pan palette with a mixture of mattes and shimmers. This is definitely a colorful palette with some neutrals, greens, yellows, pinks, purples, and blues. I'm not sure if this palette is considered limited edition. I believe it will be considered permanent, but it's just a new palette and it has really pretty colors, so that's the reason why it might be selling out and running out of stock. Out of the 35 eyeshadows, 19 are mattes and 16 are shimmers. This is my first time trying out the Makeupshack eyeshadows, so I really didn't know what to expect. For the mattes, they were soft and pigmented. The last two matte blues in the last row were a bit patchy at first, but once I passed the first layer, they swatched more evenly. When I tested them out with the brush, all mattes were buildable and blended out smoothly without any issues. For the shimmers, they glided easy and are pigmented. I only had one issue with one shade, which is the purple in the fourth row. It was a bit patchy, but it's buildable. Using a wet synthetic brush will apply this shade evenly. So overall, if you like the color story of this palette, I truly recommend it. It's a very affordable palette and the eyeshadows perform really good. The palette is back in stock now and you are welcome to use my affiliate code to save you 20% off. I'll have all that information linked down below. So I really hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.